In this video, I'll show you how to screen record on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max. It's very, very easy. I'll also show you how to record your mic audio at the same time as your screen recording in case you want to give a tutorial to somebody or for any other reasons. So how to do this? Easy. Go in Settings. And in these settings, you need to go under Control Center here. And you'll have these options. These options over here are the same as when you do this gesture from the top right corner. You see, these are shortcuts. So we need to add screen recording to these. So how to do this is you're going to go in this list under here until you see screen recording. You see over here, press the plus button on the left side and it will be added to this list over here. Now, every time you drop down, you're going to see this icon over here, 2 circles. This is screen recording. So to go ahead and start recording, all you have to do now is to swipe down from the top right corner. And if you want to record the mic of your iPhone at the same time as your screen record, simply long press on the icon. And here you see, whoops, I'll do it again, microphone off. You just need to tap it once and microphone will be turned on. To start recording, press Start Recording. And you're going to get a small countdown and a small red dot will appear there telling you that right now everything is being recorded. So let's say you want to open an app over here, any apps, you can film, it's recording. And when you're done, all you have to do is to press the small recording button on the top and then press the stop button. It will say recording saved to photos. And now if you go to photos here, whoops, these are some screenshots I took. Over here, you're going to see screen recording. You need to go in album, press album, go down and you see screen recordings, tap on it and all your screen recordings will be over here. You'll be able to watch them, to share them, to do anything that you want with them. Right now, I'm not touching anything. This is what we just recorded. So it's very easy. Drop down like this, swipe down the screen record button. If you want the mic on and you didn't do it in the past, you're going to do the long press to activate it. But if not, you just need to swipe down, press this button, and here we go. The countdown starts and it's recording back again. And it's very, very easy. So I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video.